Look around your room, you will definitely find many interesting colored things. Oh, let's get started. First, let's get acquainted with the most basic colors in English. I will say the colors while pointing to the illustrated objects. Please repeat after me. Red, red, this is a red apple. Blue, blue, this is a blue pen. Yellow, yellow, this is a yellow banana. Blue, green, this is a green leaf. Black, black, this is a black phone. White, white, this is a white shirt. You see, these colors are very common and easy to see around us. Now, I will give you a few more colors. Purple, purple, this is a purple gray. Orange, orange, this is an orange. Now let's walk around the house to find different colors. You can do the same at home. The sofa is gray, the curtains are brown, the TV is black, the refrigerator is white, the orange juice is orange, the frying pan is silver, the bed sheet is pink, the pillow is blue, the lamp is yellow, the towel is green, the soap is purple, the sink is white. This is a blue chair, this is a red cup. What color is the apple? It is red. What color is the shirt? It is white. What color is the banana? It is yellow. What color is the chair? It is green. How many questions did you get right? Don't forget to leave a comment below. Today we learned a lot of colors in English through the objects around us. Try walking around the house and practicing saying the names of objects, colors in English every day. Don't forget to favorite color below your favorite color. See you in the next video.